Introducing the new generation of our fully automatic magnetic drilling machines with brand new LED switches and comfortable new cushion grips. The made in Germany MAB 825V and 845V, the all-in-one heavy-duty automatic machine, ideal for core drilling, twist drilling and tapping. Keyless quick change system to save time and tool breakage. Permanent internal lubrication system. Available in swivel base option for easy position while drilling horizontally or overhead. Calculating cutting speed and know the gear setup with BDS RPM calculator app. Robust and durable oil bath gearbox. Safety feature of magnet adhesion indicator. Variable speed control for fine-tuning the cutting speed. Variable torque control for the correct power while drilling or tapping. Available in 230 and 110 volts options. The powerful made in Germany motor delivers 1800 watts to drill manually 100mm diameter with HSS and TCT core drills. 110mm cutting depth capacity, 31.75mm diameter twist drilling and reaming. M30 tapping, thanks to the reversible motor, and countersink 50mm diameter. MAB 825 and 845 has 255mm stoke, Morse Taper 3, overheat protection, full wave control electronics, carbon brush wear indicator, complete internal motor cabling, and weighs 23 kilograms. The premium heavy-duty MAB 825 and MAB 845. Magnetic drilling and tapping machine made in Germany by BDS Machines.